guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Nike Dunk Be True to Your School. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers doing it. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. And let's go. So today we've got to look at the Nike High Retro BTTYS, which means Be True to Your School. And we've got this in the stadium green white colorway, in the UK size 7.5, European 42, and it's US 8.5. And here they are. Can't go wrong with a pair of Nike Dunks in my opinion. I was looking at what college these colours represent, and throughout my research and looking into this sneaker, there is none. So Nike just used the old Be True to Your School campaign that they did back in the day as inspiration for this colorway. If there is a colorway, guys, let me know in the comment section below. But whilst I was looking, I couldn't find anything. But if you don't know, the Nike Dunk was originally Nike's basketball college sneaker. So this was given to a lot of Nike sponsored colleges. So back in the 80s, you'd have tons of like Syracuse had a color, Michigan, one of my favorite dunks. We've done the reviews, so check that out if you're a second. But these stadium greens, I honestly don't know. But again, guys, if you know what college this is affiliated to, let us know. But this, to me, just looks like Boston Celtics sneaker. But all that said, let's look at the details. So start with the outsole. So this outsole is all a rubber outsole, traditional Dunk outsole there with patterning, radial traction, very much like the Jordan 1. The midsole unit is just a rubber cup sole. There is no Nike Air technology, otherwise it'll be called the Nike Air Dunk. But yeah, as I mentioned before, it's just a rubber cup sole all around. The upper is just levers, and you got it all around there. The white overlays right there, and if you look at the toe box, that's perforated. Swoosh at the lateral and on the medial side on the sneaker. Hits of green as well surround the sneaker to complement the white. Look at the laces, flat laces. There's no other type of laces, it just came with the white ones. You got your Nike tongue, the nylon with the Nike branding on it. And then if you look at the back, everyone's seen a pair of Nike Dunks with that little pull tab as well. And on the inner, you've got just a polyurethane insole. So that rounds off my review. Not much else to say. Again, I just think this is like a Boston Celtics colorway. Again, if you didn't know, this is inspired by the Be True to Your School campaign from Nike back in the day. We've done a couple of the reviews, the Nike Dunks from the Be True to Your School retros. As I mentioned, I remember that we did the Michigan colorway, did the low and the high actually. I forgot. Check out personally I forgot off the top of my head. But if you're looking for like proper ones, check those out. We've done tons of Nike Dunks reviews as well. You can't go wrong with a pair of Nike Dunks in my opinion. It kind of quieted down. People haven't been buying these as much recently. But that's because of the rise of Adidas. And that's another spiel I'll get into for another day. But all that said, let's try these on for you. it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I'm a UK size 7.5. My toes are where they need to be. I'm not gonna lie, this on the right feels a bit tight on my feet. I had a bit of a struggle to put these on, but I think, well, you know, everyone has a 1 foot bigger than the other, as they say, so I think it's my right feet. Apart from that, really dope. We like a pair of Nike Dunks here at Oneupreviewz. I'm not so mad at the colorway. I should have mentioned it before. I mean, personally, I'm a Boston Celtics fan. If you're a long time viewer of Oneupreviewz, you should know that I'm a Boston Celtics fan. But you know, these aren't like grabbing me like they should. But you know, that's just my personal thing. What do you guys think of this colorway? This isn't your traditional be true to your school collegiate colorway. But if there is a college in the US with these colors, let us know in the comment section below. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.